Alright guys, let's show you what we're doing right here. Got another small video for you guys. We're doing some full pins. As you can see, single bevel. Got the backup bar inside there. We got quite a few of these. Here we got Gustavo Alba, the teacher, Mr. Miyagi. And we got the kid here. Trying to teach him how to do some full pins. Look at that weld, guys. Oh yeah. That's where the backup bar, the full pin is, the backup bar. Here we got supposed to be 1/4 inch, but we have to open it up a little bit more to keep the right length. But yeah, guys, so we got quite a bit of these to do. Got some full pins. It's taking a while, but that's what we're doing, guys. Thanks for watching.